line segments? Can you give me?
The line segments can only be more than 3.
Very
Or
good.
3.
Yeah. More than 3 line segments only we can make a polygon, right? Very good. The minimum number of sides for a polygon is 3. Very good. What is the 3-sided polygon, my dear Shreyashi?
Ma'am, triangle.
Very good. And 4-sided polygon?
Ma'am,
Wait.
Square.
Yeah.
Square, rectangle, quadrilateral.
quadrilateral.
Yes, it's quadrilateral. Under quadrilateral, you have many figures like a kite and
Example.
Square,
examples.
rectangle,
Examples we are
kite,
talking
Square,
about.
rhombus.
rectangle, rhombus,
Yeah,
parallelogram,
yeah,
trapezium.
yeah, very good. So, in this chapter, especially, we are going to discuss about area of parallelograms. Already, you are very aware about a rectangle
Base into
square.
height.
Yeah, area of rectangle is length multiplied with the breadth, whereas the square is length side
4
multiplied with
side
height.
square, yes.
Very good. And whereas similarly, triangle we already discussed from 7th
Half
class.
into base into height.
Yeah, if base and height are given, half base into height. Whereas circle, children, circle.
Ma'am, pi r square.
Very good. What is
Pi r
parallelogram?
square.
Ma'am, the
Area of,
value of pi is 22/7 or 3.14.
yeah, area of parallelogram.
Ma'am, it is base into height.
Very good. Area of trapezium.
Yes, ma'am. Base and height.
Ma'am, it is the half the height in half into height into the sum of the parallel sides.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Half into sum of lengths of parallel sides multiplied with the distance between those lines. Yeah, very good. Now we need to discuss about the area of quadrilaterals as well as the area of polygons also. In this chapter, we'll just glance one or two bits we will discuss. Then we will go with our surface areas and volumes. Children, 3D figures we will go.
Ma'am,
Okay,
you're
ma'am.
starting menstruation right today?
Yeah, I didn't write anything. I will start writing on the screen right now, children. Please.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, from which chapter is it?
Yeah, it's area of polygons, Nana Satvik. Area of polygons.
Ma'am, in my book, I don't have that question.
But we have in our CBSE book, we have mingled chapters, combination of chapters. Nothing to worry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I mean, NCRT.
It is there. It is there, but we have.
Ma'am, mensuration lesson is there,
we
I
have
think.
like, yeah. We have like a mensuration. In that mensuration.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Yeah. Polygons. Area of polygon, very important and basic part of the children, nothing to worry. We know that what is the perimeter, just we have to recollect all the formulas once again if you know very well in your previous classes also, but as a teacher I suppose to recollect the points from your yeah children. I want one student, one supposed to answer. Rishit, can you please give Rishit the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle.
2 into L plus B.
Very good. It's 2 into L plus B. Next question goes to Pallav. Pallav, perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Pallav.
Ma'am, 4S.
Very good. 4S, where S is side of the square. Very good. The same way, area of rectangle.
Ma'am, Riyad.
Ma'am, Satvik.
Ma'am, can I Vishnu?
1
Ma'am,
minute.
can
Ma'am, yes, Sahu.
Sahu, wait. Yeah, Satvik, please give area of rectangle.
A into A.
Can you please repeat?
Ma'am, A into A.
Please repeat your answer, Satvik. I didn't get your voice properly. Satvik, what is area of rectangle?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, Sreyashi.
Ma'am, can I?
No, Vishnu can answer this question.
Ma'am?
Vishnu, area of rectangle.
S and rectangle, ma'am.
Yeah.
L into B.
L into B. Yes. Satvik, what is area of a square?
Ma'am, S into S. I was not able to unmute that time.
Okay, okay. I
S square.
understand.
Ma'am, we can
Square or
actually say S
S.
square.
What are now next question to Sahasra? Sahasra, are you there, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
I want units for area, Sahasra. Units of area.
Ma'am, it will be square.
Very good. It's a square units.
Square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer, square hectare.
Yeah, yeah. Square meters. Square meters can be written as meters square too. Square centimeters can be written as centimeters square. Both are same, children. Whatever the part is, both are same. Next, this is basic part, and I want to know to find the area of 4 walls of the room. Yes, I can. Ashrita, are you there, ma? Ashrita.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, area of a room, right, ma'am? It is square or
Yeah, 1 minute,
rect-
Nana. 1 minute. Wait. I'll give. Area
Ma'am,
of
yeah.
outside rectangle. Area of path. Outside rectangle. There is a path here, children. Area of path.
ma'am, lateral surface
Out-
area, right?
This path area I want, Nana. This path area.
Ma'am, may I tell,
Basically,
ma'am?
area of the bigger rectangle minus area of the smaller.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Very good, children. Very good.
Ma'am, we can
Yes,
also
ma'am.
calculate it as the breadth of the bigger rectangle minus breadth of the smaller rectangle multiplied by length of the bigger rectangle minus length of the smaller rectangle.
Very good, Sahu. Very good. Good job. Very good. Right. You are good, children.
Ma'am, I
Next,
actually wanted to say what Shahu told me, but I thought to leave it, ma'am, because like yeah, everybody told the answer.
okay. Very good.
Ma'am,
Shreyas,
it's same. Subtracting the area and that is same.
yeah. All my supposed students should be very active, or else you can raise your hands, children, so that I can see my students who are answering. Some students, Ritvik Reddy, I didn't heard many days the voice also. Ritvik Reddy, dear, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are not speaking with me nowadays?
Ma'am, like, no, ma'am, I'm like messaging these days, not speaking.
Okay.
Like, sometimes mic is working, sometimes it's not.
Okay, but if you are not speaking, I don't think my student is listening. I'm thinking my student is busy with some other work. Is it true?
No, ma'am, I'm here only.
Right. Next, who are not Shreyas, she is Satvik Sahasra, Pallav Ritvik, Ashrita, yes, Rishit Sahu. Okay, right. Now, yes, Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am.
Area of 4 walls, Nana. Area of 4 walls of the room. Area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls of the room, children.
Ma'am, is it rectangle or square room?
Even you think your room, that's all.
Ma'am, area of 4 walls means
Yeah, area of 4 walls of your room. You are sitting in one room. I want the area of 4 walls of your room.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
if it is
length
square, it
into
will
breadth.
be 4a square.
If it is square, 4a square. No, my room is in a rectangular shape. How I supposed to calculate?
4
Ma'am,
into
4
it
L
will be-
into B.
Ma'am, it will be
4
2
times L into B,
LH
ma'am.
plus 2BH.
Very good. 2 times height. 2 times height multiplied with length plus breadth. Very good. Who gave this answer, children? 2 times height plus length plus breadth. Or else you can directly 2 times length into height plus breadth into height. Yes or no, children?
Yes,
If it
sir.
is-
I mean, yes, ma'am.
If it is rectangle shape, your room this is, or else 4a square as you said, Sahasra, it's correct. Good. Because this is also we are using in your senior classes, 9th grade also, children, you need to find the area of 4 walls of your room. So that
Ma'am, it's
immediately,
lateral surface area.
Lateral surface area, I'm not going to ask anything. If you go with the lateral, again, we need to use some part. I'm not asking that, sir. We are going just discussing about a rectangular room, 4 sides wall. I didn't ask about any slant height, children. Slant height, when you will get? When you will get slant height, children? Children, slant height, when you will get? I'm not asking about the slant height.
Parallelogram.
No, here also in our room also slant height. Is slant height is nothing but is it any diagonal you are joining the Sahu?
Yes, ma'am. What you asking?
Yeah, if you are taking the slant height means then again it will go to right angle triangle. Then we are going to take as half base into height. That is different. I'm not going right now there. Now area of parallelogram. These things we discussed in our previous class, children. Area of parallelogram.
Ma'am, it is twice the area of a triangle, which is half will get cancelled and length into breadth.
Yeah, area of parallelogram means how you supposed to find parallelogram? About parallelogram, what you know, children? What you know? Parallel.
Ma'am, it is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel lines.
Yeah, just you
Opposite
need.
sides are equal.
Yeah, you need to multiply the area of parallelogram base multiplied with the altitude, children. Altitude is nothing but you need to find this perpendicular distance, right?
We say
Yes,
height.
ma'am.
This is height. Base multiplied with this part is height. So
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
directly.
can
that
we
is because we can divide parallelogram into 2 triangles.
Very
And the
good.
area of the
Ma'am, it will
triangle
be
is half
one.
into base into height. Half will get cancelled, so base into height.
Right.
It will be 1/2 into base into height.
Very good. It's or else if 1/2 into base into height, it's this type of triangle. Again, we have 2 triangles here. This is base into height. Just base into height you're supposed to find out. Why base
Yes,
into
ma'am.
height? Yeah. Just you need to multiply area is nothing but base into height. Base into altitude. It's not height, children. Altitude is nothing but again height only. But we are using generally in the formulas, they're saying altitude. Altitude is nothing but height. Yeah, base into altitude. This is area of parallelogram. That's all. This is basic concepts, children. Now, based on this, we have to step by step 1 or 2 bits we will complete, and then we will go with the 3D figures. Now, my question is, what is the cost of painting? Very important questions. Very interesting two things. Here you need to find the things. Okay, children, I didn't discuss about perimeter of circle and area of circle. What is perimeter and
Ma'am,
area?
perimeter is 2 pi r.
Yeah, circle
Area
things I
is
didn't discuss.
pi r square.
This is
Area
radius.
is pi r square.
Right. Circle area is pi r square. Perimeter is
2 pi r.
2 pi r, where r is nothing but, or else when
Radius.
diameter is given directly, you have
R
to
is radius, ma'am.
perimeter is equal to pi d. When diameter is given, you have to use pi d. If radius is given, you use 2 pi r. Yes, children, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, and the
Yes, ma'am.
value of pi is 3.14 or 22/7.
This is a recapitulation. So now we are going with our practice sums. Children, first question in that, what is the cost of painting the 4 walls of my hall? 10.5 meters long, length is equal to 10.5 meters long, and 8 meters wide. 8 meters wide. Wide is
Breadth is
nothing but
8
what,
meters.
children? Wide is nothing but,
Breadth.
yes, breadth. Wide is nothing but breadth, 8 meters, and height. How much height is given, children? Height is given 4 meters. At the rate rupees 85 per square meter. Rate is
Ma'am,
rupees
means first we will find the lateral surface area 2h in bracket L plus B into 85.
per square meter. So now you need to find out what is the cost of painting 4 walls of the hall. 4 walls of the
Formula is 2h in bracket L plus B, right?
Ma'am,
Very good.
18.5 into 8 into 85 will be the
Very
cost.
good, very good, children. 4 walls of the room. Just now we discussed 4 walls of the room is nothing but orange room.
Ma'am, is this question from NCRT?
Yes, Nana. Two.
Ma'am, page number.
No, I think this model you have two in NCRT, but I'm not taking the same numbers from NCRT.
Ma'am, it's 12,580 rupees.
Yes, very good. Just a minute, children. 2h into L plus B. 2h into L plus B means how we supposed to
2
substitute?
into 4 in bracket 10.5 plus 8.
Yes, length
Ma'am,
is
2
8.
into 4 in bracket 10.5
5 plus 8. 8 into 18.5
8 into 18.5. 18.5 can be
into
written as
85.
no, 18.5 can be written as a half of that number. 18 2 times and 18 2s are 36. 37 by 2. The fractions, the decimals custom, you need to go with that. 37 into 4. What's the value of 37 into 4?
Ma'am, we can keep it as it is, and whatever value will come, it will be in square meter, and it is 85 rupees per square meter. So here only we can multiply by 85.
Okay, that is also correct. 85.
Ma'am, then it will come 12,580.
12,580 rupees, right? Yes, let me check the answer. Very good, Sahur. Very good. Why we are multiplied with 85, children? Cost per
Ma'am,
meter.
because it is per square meter, and here we
85.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Right, children, right, correct. Jashmita? Jashmita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the area of 4 walls of the room?
Ma'am, 2h into L plus B.
Yes, 2h into L plus B. Suppose sometimes the units, some are in meters, some are in centimeters, children, then that time you have to convert carefully in either centimeters or meters, then you supposed to, according to your question, you have to calculate. So this is about first part. Any doubt in first question, children?
no,
Any
ma'am,
doubt?
no doubt.
Yeah, Zoya, any doubt here? Rishit?
no, ma'am, no.
Ritvik? Ritvik? Ritvik, are you there? Pallav? Pallav.
No doubt,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is Ritvik.
No
I
doubt.
couldn't unmute before.
Okay,
That's why.
right. I understood. If any case you supposed to message me, children. Okay, next, any doubt, Ritvik here? Yes. Ashrita? Ashrita.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, right. Next question, second question in that. A room 10 meters long, just I'm not writing complete part, children. The length is given as 10 meters and broad is nothing but broad width.
Breadth.
These
Breadth
are
or width.
similar words, Nana. Broad is also breadth, children. Broad. Sometimes they gave as a broad. Broad is 5 meters. Broad is 5 meters. Just a minute, children. Someone is waiting in waiting room. Who is this? Okay, Ritvik. Yeah. Broad is 5 meters and height is 5 meter. Sorry, height is 4 meters. Very interesting question it is actually. Yeah, 4 meters high has 5 windows in that room, children. A wall has how many windows? Yeah, room has how many windows? 5 windows. 5 windows is the number of windows is nothing but 5. Number of windows is the number of windows are 5. So the window dimensions are given here. Window dimensions are given here. 1.2 meters by 1.5 meters. Window is in which shape, children? Is it a rectangle
Ma'am,
shape?
rectangle.
So dimensions of window are given as 1.2 multiplied with 1.5 meters. That means length or breadth, anything you can take. These are the dimensions of window given. And not only windows, children, in the room has doors also. Number of doors. Number of doors are interesting question. Please listen carefully. Number of doors are 4 doors. Dimension of door also given here. 2.5 meters by 1.5 meters. Now, what will be the total cost of whitewashing? Whitewash. 1 minute, 1 minute. What will be the total cost of whitewashing the walls at the rate of rupees 40 per square meter? Rupees 40. Rate is nothing but whitewashing rate is nothing but
Rupees
rupees.
40 per square meter.
Yes, per square meter. Per square meter.
Ma'am,
Wait.
first we need to find the area of this
Yes, ma'am. 2
hole.
into height
After
is
that,
like
we need
length
to
square.
add the area of the windows and door, and we need to subtract it
Subtract
by
from the lateral
Wonderful,
area of the
wonderful,
window.
children. That's
Then
all.
multiply by 40.
Very good, very good. Once you are getting the idea, it's completed. Our question is completed. If you understand the part, your question is only looking question is bigger, children. Nothing is there in that. First, you need to find the area of 4 walls using 2h into L plus B formula. Then same way, you know, rectangle shape windows, length and breadth are given. You need to multiply and you will get area of window. And how many windows we have, that you have to multiply, children. 5 windows you have.
yes,
5
ma'am.
into, yeah, 5 into 1.2 into 1.5 you're supposed to. And the same way number of doors are,
Ma'am?
yeah.
Ma'am, is the answer 3840 rupees?
No, Sahu. What is the total cost you are telling?
Yes, ma'am, total cost.
Very good. The cost of whitewashing walls is 3840.
Yes, ma'am, that only.
Okay, and not only this question is end with here, children. This is whitewashing rate. This is whitewashing rate. But windows and doors having some other rate, children. This is cost rupees 100, rupees 50. This you need to calculate separately, children.
Ma'am, means?
For windows and doors, painting cost rupees 50 rupees per square meter. You need to calculate total amount, how much they spent for walls as well as windows as well as doors in your room. Children, there is 2 parts here. The rate of cost of here, cost of painting for doors and windows, they are spending 50 rupees per meter.
Ma'am, it will be 1200 rupees for the windows and doors.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
correct. Cost of painting doors and windows is rupees 50 per meter.
12 square meter.
Ma'am, 1200 rupees.
Yes,
Then
total.
what is the total amount spent on whitewashing as
Ma'am,
well as
3840 plus.
24.
Ma'am, it's 5040
Ma'am,
rupees.
it is 48,000 plus 1200. 4800 plus 1200.
no, 3,840.
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, but then
5000.
that was minus this, no, ma'am.
No, total cost.
Ma'am, it is 5040.
Sahu, 1 minute, Sahu. Let me help for the students. 1 minute. Children, first task, what you should do? You need to find area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. What is 4 walls area of room? Or else
2h into L
2h bracket L plus
8
B.
plus 15.
Ma'am, which is 120 square.
120 square meters.
Yeah, 8 into 15, it's 100
120 square meters, ma'am.
so area you are getting as 120 square meters. For each square meter, how much cost you are spending? 40
rupees.
So 12 fours are how much, ma? Jashmita, 12 fours are how much?
48.
48, 4,800, right?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. From 120, we need to subtract the area of windows and door.
Oh, okay, amount.
Ma'am, it is
Sorry.
24, so it will come 96.
Yeah, Jashmita, what mistake you did, you understand right now?
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
Yeah, that's, sorry, children. keyboard why it is happening.
Ma'am, the windows will be 18 square meters.
You should want to know. Yeah, now you need to take no, you're supposed to not multiply directly also. Why you supposed to not directly here, children? You
Ma'am,
need to
because the cost is different.
cost is different, and also you need to subtract this is complete
Yes,
room
ma'am.
you are taking in that windows as well as doors also. You need to subtract windows dimensions as well as area of doors. How many windows are there? You just multiply 12 into 15. How much, children? 12 into 15 into 5. 12 multiplied with 15.
Ma'am, it will be 180.
150.
Ma'am, what you asking?
No, I want area of windows.
Ma'am, it will be 18 square meters.
18.
Ma'am,
1
9, I think 9. 9 square meter.
Yeah.
9 square meter.
9.
No, 5 into, just multiply 5 windows we have. 1.2 multiplied with 1.5. Please simplify this.
Ma'am, it's 9 square meter.
Yes, ma'am, 9.
9. Okay. This is 9 square meter. Same way you need to multiply with 4 doors. 4 doors. 25 fours are 100.
Ma'am, it's 15.
15. Very good. 15 plus 9, how much, children? 15 plus 9.
24.
You need to
24
subtract
and it is
20
96.
96 multiplied with, now you should substitute as 40.
3840.
3840. Then
Ma'am?
same, yes.
And there it was 24. 24 into 50. We'll get 1200.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the area of the window, it will be to one window will be 18. No, ma'am, 1.8. 1.8.
అవునా అలాంటి మనకి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి 5 విండోస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా 1.8 into 5 ఎంత నానా 9.0 9.09 only we will write.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all correct. You are also correct. Yeah, same way you need to find out any doubt here, children. If you have any doubt, I'll help you, or else please
No,
let
ma'am,
me.
no doubt.
Ma'am, then 24 into 50, 50, it is 1200. Added to
Yeah.
3840.
Yeah, that's why because this is the area of these windows as well as the doors is 24. 24 into 50 is 1200. 3840 plus
Ma'am,
12.
is 5040 correct answer?
Exactly correct. Total cost the person is spending for painting the room for walls as well as doors and windows rupees 5040. Why? Because
40.
3840. Then 9 plus 15 he got as a 25 square meters into 5. 25 fours are how much, children? It's 120. 120 means 1200. So you
Yes,
need to
ma'am.
add this total 1200. You will get cost as 5040. This is the total amount
40.
spent for painting the room as well as windows, walls and doors too. Like that, the question, some twisting happening also, you don't need to scare children, you just solve the sums. 1 minute, children. Ritvik facing some problem, network problem today. Pallav, not Ritvik today now. Pallav, any doubt, Pallav? Yes, Zoya?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Next, the diagonals of square is given, children. Square shape is given. If picture is given, it's fine. If not given, you have to draw picture for your convenient to understand. 7.5 diagonal is given for square. And we don't know the side of the square. You need to find the area of square. Only diagonal of square is given as 7.5
Ma'am, we
meters.
can use Pythagoras theorem for this, right?
Wonderful,
Yes,
wonderful,
ma'am.
very good, very good. So I don't know this side, this side. You take as square means all sides are equal,
Ma'am,
right?
what shape is it?
Square, Nana. It is in square shape.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I'm taking x and x. Or else directly x plus x. X
2x square is equals to 7.5
x
square.
square plus x square equal to 7.5 square. Right. 2x square equal to 75 into 75. How much, Nana?
Ma'am, 5625.
Yes, very good. 7 plus 1, 8, 8, 7, sir.
56.25, ma'am.
5625. Very good. Children, how I multiplied? You got this point?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, I got the answer as 5.3C. Yes. So wrong. I think ma'am had a problem.
Yes, that is why she got disconnected.
Oh, once if it is disconnected, every time I supposed to again I need to start recording, right, children? Yeah. Children,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understand
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the technique we are using. Earlier also I said this
Yes,
part
ma'am.
for you. Did you remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you remember this technique? If ends with 5,
Yes, ma'am.
25, 35, you can use that technique. Next, now x square is equal to half of this number 562.5 divided with 2. So x value how much, children?
28.125 x square will be.
This is half of this means 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are, and 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are. Yeah.
125, ma'am.
Now square root of this number. Who will give square root? See how many concepts are interlinked with this x value. Yes. Who will give square root of
Ma'am, it is
28?
coming as a very long decimal actually.
It is big decimal you are getting, ma?
Yes, ma'am. 5.3033.
Sorry,
Yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
sorry.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 5.3033.
Yes, ma'am. 5.3033 centimeter.
Children, no need to find. They're asking only. What is they're asking in the question? They're asking about area. They didn't ask about square side of the.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Ma'am, then
28.125
it will be
square.
56.25, right?
No. 56.25 divide with 2. Why? Because 2
Yes,
exists.
Ma'am, it is 28.125 square meter.
Yes. This is only answer, children. Area
Ma'am,
is
it will be
nothing but
28.13, ma'am.
1 3 na.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If we
Round up, ma'am. It will be
round off, ma'am.
28.125 centimeter. If we round up, it will be 28.1.
1 2. Okay. Right. Children, right.
Ma'am, we can round it off to 28 also.
Okay. See the options, children, whether it is rounded or else given directly. You have to see and choose that answer. And not only that part, children, here condition also given. They are expressing answer in square centimeters, children. That is very great task. Actually, what answer we are getting? 28.125.
Ma'am,
We are getting as
one
square.
centimeter square is 10,000 meter square.
But answer will be in the terms of centimeters.
Ma'am, it's 28. Ma'am, 281250 centimeter square.
Very good. 28.
1250. Ma'am, because 1
1250.
centimeter square is 10,000 meter square. So
Yes.
3 places will be used for removing the decimal and 1 0.
Yes. So meter to centimeter, how many? Generally, you need to multiply with what number, children? Square
100, ma'am.
centimeter.
100.
Square.
It will be 28125.
So
1
100
centimeter is equals to
100
100.
into 100. 100 into 100 means 10,000.
10,000.
10,000 you're supposed to multiply to get as a square. 2.851250.
281250 centimeter square.
Square centimeter or centimeter square, anything. Now 3 decimal 4 zeros are there, 4 jumps you need to get and take a 0. You just
281250.
square centimeters. This is only tricky task in the question. Everything else given still now I'm getting, but my answer is not there in the option, but option is there. This option is there in your paper, children. Like that, whether they're asking square centimeters or square meters, you have to check and do. Next, there is another interesting question here. The shape of a field. So the shape is given like that, children.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, I'll draw the shape of the figure so that it's a really interesting figure. It's a little rectangle till here, but this garden is shaped like this shape, children. Some curved region kept in the same.
Ma'am, then I got it,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's easy.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am means it is the area of that semi-square. I mean
One
semicircle.
circumference. Oh,
But this is I just
oh.
giving a clue to this. But this is
Yes,
semi.
ma'am. It is one circle's this what area?
Very good. One circle, complete one circle and one
Ma'am,
rectangle.
one circumference, ma'am,
Ma'am,
and
because
one.
two semicircles make one circle, so one rectangle and one circle's area.
Very good.
Ma'am, that's
children.
what I was telling, ma'am. One circumference and one like normal area of a rectangle.
Here the part
Ma'am,
is
whatever will be the breadth of the rectangle, we will divide by 2 and then apply in the formula.
Ma'am, last year I had same question, and last year we had.
same question.
What is the breadth, ma'am?
14 meters, Nana. 14 meters.
I mean 7 meter is the radius of the circle.
You need to find the perimeter of the field. Nana,
Okay, perimeter.
They're not asking about area part. They're asking about perimeter.
That means it will be 14 into 22 upon 7
Yes.
plus 2 into 40 plus 14.
Very good. So what answer we supposed to expect here? Yeah, what answer I supposed to expect from my students?
Ma'am, is it 616?
Why Krishna Ditya joined late today?
Ma'am, it is 152.
1 minute, children. Let me check. No.
Ma'am, but the area of the circle is that only, no?
What is the area of circle? First of all, area. No, I want to.
Ma'am, perimeter, no, perimeter.
Is boundary length, children. You need to find boundary length here.
Ma'am, is it 152 meter?
No. So, children, the circumference of two semicircles are two
Ma'am, pi d.
pi d
22
or pi
upon
r.
7 into.
Generally, two circles together, it's pi r, 2 pi r. If you take this circle as well as this one circle perimeter, you will get that. That is nothing but 2 pi r. Perimeters, this perimeter you will
Ma'am,
get.
means pi d, no?
Now you will, yes, pi d or 2 pi r, anything you can take pi d here. Very good.
Ma'am, but here we have the diameter, so
pi d,
pi d.
correct only. So pi d means 2 into 22 by 7 into
22 1.
Just a minute. Pi d also. We will directly use pi
Ma'am,
d.
I think it will be 44.
Yeah, 22 by 7 into 14. So 7 2s are
44.
44. This curved regions we got right now 44. Now outer perimeter of rectangle part, children. This rectangular part.
Ma'am, 14 to 2.
This is length. How much, Nana, here?
Ma'am, is it 124?
Length is 40.
Ma'am, 40 minus.
Ma'am, 124. The 124 meter.
కాదు నాన్న ఎక్కడో తప్పు చేసాంరా మనం. This part is true.
What?
This part is true. I want to know about rectangle area. How to find the rectangle area perimeter here? Perimeter of rectangle field.
Ma'am, here 2 twice length plus breadth.
So 2 twice
Ma'am,
length plus
it's
breadth means
68.
is it outer perimeter of rectangle if you take this as
Ma'am, I think it will be just 40 into 2 because only the lengths are there.
14 plus 14
Ma'am,
how
but
much,
then that
Anna? 14 plus 14
from 80. Now is it 124 meter?
yes 14 plus 14 is 20 sorry 14 plus 14 is
28.
28 వస్తుందా నాన్న? So that it is also not true.
Ma'am, 14? No, it is 14 or 80. Ma'am, is it 124 meter?
190
24 meter.
96 is given, children. They gave 96 here. How I got 96 I didn't understand here.
Ma'am, how 96?
Yeah, that's why outer perimeter of rectangular part they are giving as 26 plus 26. It is written as 52 meters. So
Ma'am,
it
they're
is
subtracting 14 from 40, I think.
14 from 48 means you are getting as 26, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why they are subtracting that region, ma?
Ma'am, because the whole thing is 40
Ah,
without the with the circles included.
okay, whole thing is 40. That breadth they are subtracted, and the breadth means it's nothing but diameter. Diameter
Ma'am,
only,
radius. Yes, ma'am, diameter.
diameter only breadth. Nana.
40 minus 40.
Why they take it?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
the
finish.
length of the rectangle, it will be 40 minus 14.
Ma'am, they are correct actually, ma'am, because there Jashmita is right. That is the entire part's length, and from the top of the circle to the middle, it is radius. Here we have two circles, so that will become diameter. 40 meter minus the diameter, which is 26, and 26 twice is 52. 52 plus 44, ma'am, they are correct. 96.
96. Yeah, why we are taking 96? Who here 40 minus 14? How you were
Ma'am,
getting?
because that 40, ma'am, because that 40 meter is the part including the circles. That's why.
Yes. Yeah, right.
Ma'am, are you there?
Children, just a minute, children. I'll come back. Just a minute. Sorry, children. We'll start right now. Just a minute. Stop sharing. Okay. Now here, how much children here? Therefore, area of perimeter of the figure is
96 meter.
right, Nana. So So it's a 52 plus 44, it's nothing but a 96 meters. Next question. There are 2 bits for you children. You're supposed to solve. I'm not going to solve these 2 bits. Find square meter. Find in square meters. You're supposed to find in square meters the area of path 2 meters wide surrounding a rectangular lawn. 2 meters path is there. 2 meters path is there. So this you need to find out. Here the length and breadth of 10 meters and 8 meters are given. The surrounding rectangular. Okay. 2
Ma'am,
meters.
actually, this figure is confusing whether it is a cuboid or what.
No cuboid, only path, Nana. Or else I'll draw direct only. Let me take.
Ma'am, your voice
This is your
breaking.
rectangle.
Ma'am, your voice
2
was breaking.
meters. There is one more. 1 minute. Children. Children, am I audible to you? It is clear.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Right. Yeah. It's a what is the conditions are given, children? Find the square meters. Find in square meters. The area of path is 2 meters. So this path, the area. Sorry. You need to find the square meters. The area of path 2 meters wide surrounding a rectangular lawn of length and breadth. Length is 10 meters given, children. Breadth is given as 8 meters. You need to find the area of lawn.
Ma'am, and that line which you draw above, that is 2 meter, no?
Yes, the width is 2 meters, Nana.
Ma'am, that means the length of the
Outer
outer one
rectangle.
rectangle will be 10 minus 8.
No,
I mean 4. 10
10
minus 4
plus 4.
will
10
be 6
plus
meter,
4.
ma'am.
40 meters square.
10 plus 4 kada Nana. 10
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
10 plus 4,
14 meter.
14. So 14, same way 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4.
12 meter.
Minus 10 into 8. Yes. 14 12 times 10, 8 times 80. 14 12 times how much, children? Area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle, children.
Ma'am, 88.
88. 14. No, I'm asking about 14 12 times.
Ma'am, 88.
168.
Ma'am, 168 minus 80, 88. 88 meter square.
88 meters square, but they're asking, yeah, right, that's all. Next, 40 liters are required to exactly cover 40 liters are required to exactly cover a rectangular courtyard 20 meters long as well as 12 meters wide. See, children, how many liters are required to paint for this? 400 liters, 400 tiles are required to 400 tiles are required to like that. How many tiles are there? 400 tiles are required to exactly cover the rectangular courtyard 20 meters long as well as 12 meters wide. Number of tiles are 450. Number of tiles required to pave this courtyard is 400. 400. The dimensions of no, they didn't give. Find the width of the tile if length is 50 meters. Length of tile is 50 meters. You need to find the width of the tile. You need to find the width of the. Children, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Jashmita, here nothing.
Ma'am,
Only
can you please repeat the question? I was unable to hear you.
there are 400 tiles are required to pave the square rectangular garden. So rectangular garden length is 20 meters and width is 12 meters. You need to find the width of the tile if length is 50 centimeters. It's not meters, children, it's a centimeter.
Ma'am, in the area of the entire rectangle, it will be 240 meters square, 12 into 2, 12 into 20. And we have the length of the tile 50 centimeter, and which is 0.5 meter. So we
Half
will take the
meter.
half of 240.
Into x equal to number of tiles is
400.
come on, children, please simplify this. This way makes reciprocal here. 400x equal to 400x equal to 12 into 20 into 2. 21s are 20 times 2 1s are 2 10s are. X value how much, children, here?
Ma'am, is it 120 centimeter?
12 by 10. 12 by 10 meters means centimeters.
Ma'am, means 120 centimeter.
Very good, Nana. 12 by 10 into 100. So if you cancel the
Ma'am,
zero,
ma'am means here we have 400 tiles and the length of each tile is 50 centimeter. That means 0.5 meter, and which is 200. So 240 upon 200, which is 120 centimeter, right?
that is all. Is it same or is it coming different?
Ma'am, same. 120 centimeter, 1.2
Right.
meter.
Right. That's all. Very good. Like that, you can recheck also whether you are doing correct or not. You can recheck also. Very good. Children, questions are different in the competitive examinations. Concept is same. What concept we are using? Same concept. Small tile area divided by area of the court divided with the tile area. If you divide number of tiles here, concept is same. But only the thing, what is the thing here? Areas are given in meter as well as centimeters. You need to convert either meters or centimeters. That is only trick here. Rest everything is same. Can I explain once again the bit, children? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I help you once again the same bit? How you supposed to find this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, for tomorrow's test, what is the portion?
Same thing, Nana. Area of polygons, we will go with this part and some part of probability I want to test you because the other day I didn't test probability concepts. So I want to test probability as well as till today where you completed. Till there you have.
Okay, ma'am.
What's time right now, ma? I have other class. What is time right now?
Ma'am, it's 2 minutes to 7.
Okay, and then
Ma'am, we also have another class of coding today at 7:30.
by 7:30, so that you need to take a small break and you can join there. And
No,
last
ma'am, it's okay if you teach for 10 to 15 minutes.
one more bit.
I don't have a coding class today, ma'am.
One part
Ma'am, but sir told us to join that Saturday classes only.
okay.
No, but I, Satvik and Vedika are in the Friday group.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, even Rishi.
Okay, there is a last bit I want to explain with you, children. Then we will go with the Pallav. Last, after this bit, I will help you the fourth one, Pallav. Next one, fifth
Okay, ma'am.
question.
Ma'am, I also have a doubt.
We do quiz.
No quiz today, ma, because other classes.
Okay, ma'am.
Or else if I want to share link means I can share and I leave so that you can play. Find the height of parallelogram, children. You need to find the height of a parallelogram, the area of which is 300 centimeters. 300 centiyears is given, children. What is one year is nothing but, children. Do you heard the units like a centiyears? What is this years? Centiyears. This is given for units.
Ma'am, acres?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is a unit of land, like hectares.
Not only area here, it's not like acre. Acre is spelling is different. A or es is given here, children. I think acres
Ma'am,
only.
I don't know.
Centi-years. Centi-years means and base is 60. Okay, children, we'll discuss tomorrow the same bit. And you need to go with what is centi-years, please, children.
Ma'am, I think years is a
Okay, ma'am.
different measurement.
That's all. Maybe let's answer the length. Okay. Get any clue word also. Here, what is given? The height of a parallelogram. You need to find the height of parallelogram. The area of which 300 centi-years and base is, yeah. Here, what is given? Area is given. You need to
Ma'am,
find
centi square it will be, no? The area.
300 centi-years is given and base is given 60 meters, children. You need to find the height of the parallelogram.
Ma'am, is it 20 meter?
Centi means they are dividing with 100. Again, 1 minute, children. I'll just take.
Ma'am, 1 air equals to 100 meters square, ma'am, apparently.
Very good, very good. 1 year equal to 100 meters square. Very good. This is given even in our textbook also, NCERT book also.
Ma'am, as a hint.
As a hint, it is given, children. 1 air is nothing but
Okay,
100
ma'am.
meters square.
Ma'am,
So,
Ma'am,
they gave us this.
centi means what, ma'am?
Centi means again you need to divide with 300.
Ma'am,
Divide
100. Oh, ma'am, 100 meter. Ma'am, divided by 100 only. I think that means 300 meters square it will become.
3 years. 3 years. Area
Ma'am,
is,
so it is 20 meters only.
yes, 3
Yes,
years.
ma'am.
3 years you are getting. Then you have to go with it's nothing but 300 square meters. 1 year equal to 100 meters square. So that
Ma'am,
300.
that means can we say that the centi-years is meter square?
Yes, directly you can. If you know, you can directly. Because this is no new word. That's why I need to give 1 or 2. You can go
Ma'am, that
directly.
means it is 20 meter.
Yeah. Centimeter only. Centimeter only. Years is nothing, but maybe the language is
Okay,
somewhere
ma'am.
it is. The word is given in the one of the competitive examinations. When it is the centi-years is given. I didn't even
Ma'am,
identify.
is the height 5 meter?
Exactly height 5 only, children. Why? Because area of parallelogram base into height. Base into height is nothing but
Area by height. Area by base is equals to height.
yes, area by base is height. So 66 5 are 5 meters. 5 meters is base. Sorry, height of the parallelogram.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all, children. That's all for the day. We'll meet in next class. So, Krishna,
Thank
why
you,
too
ma'am.
late?
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Bye. Krishna, why too late today to the class? Krishna Ditya, are you there?
Ma'am,
Pallav?
Krishnaditya kept something in the chat.
Okay. Pallav, this is a previous question. The length and breadth are given here. What is length is given, children? What is length is given? 220 meters long and 12 meters wide is given. This is a complete court, some basketball court or whatever the court you think. In this court, 40 tails are required. Exactly 40 number of tails are required. Like that, they are paved with 400 tiles. 400 tiles. So each tile dimensions means the measures are given here, but only length is given. The width of the tile is not given. You need to find the width of the tile. Length of the tile is, what is length? What is length is given, children? 50 centimeters. 50 centimeters, if you convert as meters, means half meter, right, children? Right?
Yes,
Therefore, So you need to find the area of, you need to find the breadth of your tail. You need to find out breadth. We don't know unknown thing. To find out breadth of tail, you have to divide total area. What is total area? 20 into 12. 20 into 12 meters. Divide with tile area. Each tile area, you are getting number of tiles, 400 tiles. Each tile area means length into breadth. The length is given as half meter and the breadth is given. We don't know breadth. You need to find out. To find out breadth, this 1/2, if you send up means it may be reciprocal there. 20 into 12 into 1/2 reciprocal is 2. If this is cross multiply, you will get as 400b. You want only b value, you just send other side 20 into 12 into 2 divide with 400. 21s are 20, 20 times. 2 1s are 2, 4s are, 2 1s are 2, 10s are 12 by 10. 12 by 10 meters you are getting, children. 12 by 10 meters. So 12 by 10 meters, if you convert into centimeters, if you convert 12 by 10 into meters into centimeters, you just multiply with 100. So 120 centimeters is the width of the tail. It's or else 1.2 meters. 1.2 meters. Anything you can write, children. In answer, 120 centimeters width is given. So you have to choose 120. That's all for the day, children. Any doubt, Pallav, still?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right, children. Bye. Have a nice day, children. Thank you. Ritvik, Shreyasi, Vishnu, any doubt? Krishna?
No doubt, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute, children. Krishna kept some message. I didn't am unable to see the messages.
Mami kept hi, guys.
Hi.
Guys, ma'am.
Okay.
Mami just kept hi guys. How are you all? Like that he kept.
Okay. Okay, Ritvik, shall we end up right now? How are we supposed to check? Stop
Yes,
share.
ma'am, we can.
Bye, children. Have a nice day.